Welcome to the big top of trading. Step right up and witness the daring drama of the E-mini S&P 500 market profile. Because this show is all about flips, flops, and flying trapeze acts disguised as candlesticks. Let's jump right into it. Key buy and sell levels or ranges. Value area high, VAH, 7,493. The top trapeze platform. Bulls need acceptance above it before attempting the look ma, no stop loss routine. Value area low, VAL, 7,479. The lower ring floor. Price is currently below it, so the bears have rolled out the tiny car full of downside pressure. Point of control. POC, 7,484. The center ring where the largest crowd of contracts gathered. Expect price to magnetize here if buyers regain balance. Support zone, 7,467 to 7,479. Session low, into VAL. Buyers need to defend this safety net or the acrobats start falling through the canvas. Deeper support zone, 7,461 to 7,467. Downside extension zone below the session low. If breached, selling may accelerate like a clown cannon misfire. Resistance zone, 7,479 to 7,484. VAL into POC and VWAP area, first major hurdle for any bounce attempt. Upper resistance zone, 7,493 to 7,501. VAH into session high. Sellers may be waiting with pies, ladders, and questionable intentions. Single prints / escape paths. Lower, 7,467 to 7,469. Thin lower shoot. A break below can move quickly. Upper, 7,493 to 7,501. Upper high wire corridor. Acceptance above could squeeze towards 7,510. Market context. The last 3 full sessions show buyers pushing the auction higher from the 7,354 to 7,356 base into the 7,460s, with today's overnight session extending to 7,501 before fading back below value. That creates a balancing but fragile structure. The circus tent is still standing, but someone definitely loosened a few ropes near 7,479. Current price near 7,477 is below VAL and below VWAP near 7,484, giving sellers short-term control unless buyers reclaim 7,479 to 7,484 quickly. Above 7,493, bulls regain the spotlight. Below 7,467, the bear act gets louder. Volume analysis. Cumulative volume, delta, CVD. Breakdown. Note, uses signed volume, proxy, CVD from candle direction. Session open, CVD, 2,989. Buyers opened with a decent drum roll. CVD peak, 23,382 near 4:15 Eastern Time. Aggressive buyers had control during the overnight climb towards 7,501. Current CID, 3,701. Buyers still net positive, but most of the earlier strength has been handed back like a drop juggling pin. CVD low, negative 517 near 1830 Eastern Time. Early weakness was quickly repaired, but the late fade shows sellers re-entered with force. Interpretation. CVD remains slightly positive, but price is below value and VWAP. That is bearish divergence light. Buyers spent energy, yet price failed to hold the upper tent pole. Risk management considerations. Long trades. Entry zone, 7,467 to 7,479. On responsive buying or reclaim of 7,479. Stop loss, 7,461. below session low, and roughly 1 ATR cushion. Profit target, 7,484 first, then 7,493. Short trades. Entry zone. Rejection from 7,479 to 7,484. Or failed bounce into POC/VWAP. Stop loss, 7,493 on value rejection shorts, or 7,507 if shorting near VAH/session high. Profit target, 7,467 first, then 7,461. Risk no. Current ATR is near 6 points, so avoid tight stops unless you enjoy being launched from the cannon before the show starts. Potential scenarios and trade setups. Scenario A. Reclaim of VAL and POC. Setup. Long above 7,484 after acceptance. Stop. 7,478. Targets. 7,493. Then 7,501. Red. Bulls retake center ring and attempt the trapeze breakout. Scenario B. Rejection at 7,479 to 7,484 setup. Short failed bounce into VAL/POC/VWAP. Stop. 7,493. Targets. 7,467, then 7,461. Read. Sellers keep the circus tent tilted downhill. Scenario C. Breakdown. Below 7,467. Setup. Short below 7,467 on volume expansion. Stop. 7,479. Targets. 7,461, then 7,453. Read. Safety net breaks. Clowns scatter. Downside momentum takes the spotlight. Scenario D. Acceptance above 7,493 setup. Long above 7,493 if price holds above VAH. Stop. 7,484. Targets. 7,501, then 7,510. Read. Bulls climb the high wire again, but they need fresh volume or gravity gets rude. Smash the like and subscribe button. Click the bell to receive content notifications. Remember, the future belongs to the focused. Stay disciplined, stay curious, and as always, trade smart, trade strong, and never stop leveling up. I'll see you in the markets.